After 44 hours of construction, the first successful pouring of the main pier cap of the Fuling Yangtze River Road Rail Bridge on the Chongqing section of the Yichang-Fuling high-speed railway has been completed, marking a major breakthrough in the foundation construction of the bridge's main pier. The Fuling Yangtze River Road Rail Bridge is a major project on the Chongqing section of the Yichang-Fuling high-speed railway. The bridge is 1,842.65 meters long, with a main span of 736 meters, making it the largest of its kind in the world. The main pier cap is a rectangular reinforced concrete structure, measuring 35.7 by 60.1 by 6 meters in the longitudinal, transverse, and thickness directions, and will be poured in 2 stages. Facing challenges like strict temperature control for mass concrete, construction near the river, tough environmental standards, overlapping processes, and complex coordination, the project team focused on proactive planning and thorough research, creating a smart management and control system for the whole process. The new Yichang to Fuling high-speed railway has a main line of 159.8 kilometers in Chongqing and is a key part of China's 8 vertical and 8 horizontal high-speed rail network along the Yangtze River. When finished, it will greatly improve travel for people along the route.